Tesla's position as the leading electric vehicle brand is facing a significant challenge from the Chinese automaker BYD, especially after the close competition in Q3 sales. And now BYD is still the dominant automaker in China, with more than 50,000 cars sold each week. The year was the stage for several new additions to BYD's fleet, which further solidifies the brand's appeal in the European market. Now, China's BYD is on the verge of surpassing Tesla as the global leader in fully electric vehicle sales, marking a significant shift in the EV market and highlighting China's growing influence in the automotive industry. In a sector traditionally dominated by familiar names like Toyota, Volkswagen, and General Motors, Chinese manufacturers like BYD are gaining traction. Stay tuned for a comprehensive overview of BYD's 2023 journey and a glimpse into the brand's 2024 resolutions. Warren Buffett's investment in BYD in 2008 has paid off immensely, with the value of Berkshire Hathaway's stake soaring approximately 35-fold to around $8 billion. BYD's success is attributed to its early focus on electric vehicles, supported by Chinese government subsidies and a unique position as both an automaker and battery manufacturer. In 2023, BYD achieved sales exceeding 3,020,000 units. BYD disclosed that this total included about 1.6 million battery electric vehicles and approximately 1.4 million plug-in hybrid vehicles, with sales in December alone reaching 340,178 units, with 190,754 being all-electric vehicles. With a notable increase of 61.9% compared to the previous year. This growth dwarfs the 37% increase of Tesla, solidifying the brand's status as the major threat to Tesla's dominance. And in the same year, BYD made its mark on the European market with the introduction of 5 electric models. The Seal Saloon, set to arrive between the end of 2023 and early 2024, can already be configured with a starting price of €46,990. Positioned as a strong rival to the Tesla Model 3, the BYD Seal boasts a 189 inches length, a generous 115 inches wheelbase, and aerodynamic styling with a remarkable CX of just 0.219. With a 15.4-inch touchscreen and an impressive 400-liter boot capacity, the Seal promises a premium electric driving experience. After the initial success of the Seal, BYD aims to capture a broader market by releasing more EV models. BYD has plans for the Seal U, a mid-size SUV related to the Seal. Bridging the gap between the compact Atto 3 and the large Tang SUVs in BYD's portfolio, the Seal U will measure approximately 15.71 feet in length, 6.2 feet in width, and 5.48 feet in height. It will feature a 9.09 feet wheelbase and a spacious 146-gallon boot. Powered by 71.8 and 87 kilowatt-hour batteries, the Seal U is expected to deliver a range of approximately 311 miles in the WLTP cycle, offering versatility and performance upon its release in the second half of 2024. In addition, BYD is rumored to launch a smaller crossover under the name of Yuan UP. Leaked photos from China's Ministry of Information Technology reveal a small EV, targeting the compact SUV segment that has gained popularity worldwide. The Yuan UP is expected to share its base motor with the successful BYD Dolphin, hinting at potential success in the market. With a projected starting price around $14,000 in China, the Yuan UP could further intensify BYD's competition with Tesla, potentially challenging Tesla's status as the best-selling EV maker globally. The release of these new models showcases the company's global expansion strategy, aiming to attract a wider range of customers. The company's global expansion has been rapid, with a presence in over 60 countries, including a showroom in London. Despite its current dominance in China, BYD still faces hurdles in replicating its success globally. The company has revamped its lineup, hiring international executives to improve design and appeal. Analysts predict BYD could own a third of the global car market by the end of the decade, but for now, Tesla still leads in revenue, income, and market capitalization. BYD plans to establish its maiden electric car factory in Szeged, Hungary, marking a strategic expansion beyond its electric bus production already underway in the country. This move comes on the heels of BYD's consistent push in the European market, where it currently offers an impressive lineup of 5 all-electric car models: the Han, Tang, Atto 3, Seal, and Dolphin. The company's foothold in Europe is set to strengthen even further, with the launch of the 3 new models, slated to join the lineup within the next 12 months, promising a diverse range of electric options for European consumers. Hungary's selection as the factory location isn't arbitrary. BYD recognizes the country's growing prominence in the European EV landscape. The new state-of-the-art passenger car factory is expected to be developed in phases, fostering technological exchange, innovation, and, importantly, creating numerous local jobs. BYD's commitment to a highly integrated supply chain suggests additional investments in part production, contributing to a greener local ecosystem. What makes this venture truly groundbreaking is that BYD's electric car factory will be the first of its kind established by a Chinese automotive company in Europe. The company plans to leverage advanced global technology and automated production processes, underlining its dedication to manufacturing cutting-edge new energy vehicles on the continent. As Europe shifts away from traditional internal combustion engines, BYD's strategic move not only aligns with the evolving automotive landscape but also positions the company as a key player in shaping the future of sustainable transportation in the region. BYD's strategic expansion into Europe underscores its commitment to offering diverse electric vehicle options, combining sleek design, advanced technology, and competitive pricing to cater to the growing demand for sustainable mobility. With China maintaining its status as the world's largest market for EVs, the US presents an enticing opportunity for Chinese automakers, fostering competition and driving advancements in the electric vehicle sector. But these vehicles are conspicuously absent in the United States. Various factors, including pricing disparities, diplomatic tensions, public perception, and China's dominance in battery supply, contribute to this complex scenario. BYD's future success will depend on its ability to navigate a competitive landscape, with new entrants like tech giant Huawei entering the automotive space. Wang Chuanfu acknowledges that staying at the top requires constant innovation and adaptation, emphasizing the importance of technology and response in the rapidly evolving electric vehicle industry. In closing, BYD's transformative 2023 and ambitious 2024 resolutions signal a significant paradigm shift in the electric vehicle landscape, poised to challenge Tesla's dominance. Despite challenges in global expansion and potential tariff issues, BYD's success poses a considerable threat to Tesla and other established automakers. As BYD accelerates toward EV market leadership, the industry faces challenges and transformations in various facets, from sales dynamics to charging infrastructure and technological advancements. And it still have a long way before replacing the internal combustion engines fully.